friends, this is Shipra Khanna. Welcome to the Spice Trail. So now we're doing the vegetables with some ham. We need olive oil. Okay. Now I'm going to add sliced garlic. Just a little bit. We need to toss it. And in goes leeks. These are peppers. We just need to sweat it. And at this stage, we'll add a little bit of salt and vegetables. A little more salt, few mushrooms.
No. The Spanish pride of kitchen.
Wow.
It's a typical first dish of all the hand cooked food.
Oh.
First, you would have some mixed vegetables with ham.
Okay.
No conquistes los remontes de montañas que no has de escalar.
Voila! Our vegetables with ham is ready.
That's what we always have as a starter in Spain, vegetables, to give it a bit of a touch. We love to have our ham, the Spanish ham, Iberian ham.
Oh wow!
Jamón serrano.
So you know what I've realized, Petra, the dish, the food in Spain is really healthy. It's very healthy.
It's the Mediterranean diet, basically. It's very healthy because it uses olive oil, so we've done all of it with olive oil.
Yeah, and I think because there's so much of fruit, vegetables, fresh produce, which goes in the food, and people here are always happy and always like happy-go-lucky. Yeah?
Exactly.
So eat this and you will also become happy-go-lucky.
Que olvidar, sé que el río que desemboca en tu forma de mirar. No.
Hi friends, this is Shipra Khanna. Welcome to the Spice Trail.